For 35 years, Marathon has been the brand of choice for customers looking for dependable, self-contained compactors that work reliably, delivered uncompromising performance, and provided the lowest total cost of compaction. Putting those decades of experience to work, Marathon has created the next-generation self-contained compactor called the SC². With serviceability, safety, and performance in mind, the SC², derived from the tried-and-true RJ250 SC, has been designed to deliver unparalleled performance and service convenience throughout the life cycle of the unit. Starting with the packing performance of the unit, our new design protects the cylinders by accomplishing two things. First, they've been raised to operate out of the liquid, reducing the potential of corrosion and premature failure. Second, we've optimized cylinder performance through a parallel pack design versus the old cross-cylinder design, while fortifying the head and ram structure with new cylinder tunnels. When it comes to service, the SC² allows for safety and convenience when working on the unit. Easy access points have been designed in that allow for cleaner, faster maintenance. If needed, cylinder replacement is easier, faster, and safer. Service techs no longer have to dig through old, putrid waste to wrestle with cylinder pins or hose fittings. Furthermore, hydraulic leak points have been reduced by 50%. All this means less maintenance, less mess, and a significantly longer life with reduced repair and service costs over the life of the compactor. All of the remaining structural advantages of the proven SC250 remain unchanged, as they've proven over decades to be very reliable. This allows you to retrofit and upgrade your existing SC250 inventory with the SC² packer head, further extending the life cycle of your units. If you have any questions or want more information, reach out to your nearest Marathon distributor or head over to www.marathonequipment.com.